I found the keyboard of an IBM 701 laptop at a junkyard. Its screen is missing. I want to try to fix it. Its motherboard and casing have aged and been damaged. I replaced the display screen and the computer motherboard with new ones. This motherboard has much stronger performance. I removed the unnecessary interfaces on the motherboard. I measured the dimensions of the original shell and tried my best to replicate it perfectly. Then I did 3D modeling. For the consumables of printing, I can use garbage, which is very environmentally friendly. This can reduce the cost of the test. I can also print a bottle of pure water, by the way. I'll print a few drafts first because I'm not sure if the design drawings will be usable. I added the distinctive butterfly logo to the final drawing. I encountered a tricky problem. The keyboard of my notebook is not a USB interface. I can only design a circuit board myself to convert it into a USB 1. The internal structure is very simple. Only the main board needs to be connected to the display screen and the keyboard USB board. Install the printed shell properly. The CPU has very low power consumption and does not require a fan. Ultimately, I transformed a single keyboard into a complete laptop, and the entire project is open source. This beautiful keyboard was designed by IBM engineer junkyard. Inspired by children's building blocks, it is more like Tetris. The new motherboard is even capable of running GTA. It's very difficult to play real-time strategy games with IBM's mouse, so I added a touch function.
Construction complete. Construction options. Sir, yes, sir. Building. Can do. On the move. Construction complete. Construction options.